Hey guys! Welcome to Dark Blood Liger Unboxings. Today, we're going to be unboxing this package. Pathetic Grimace Shake victim. Come on! Get out of the box! Package! Oh. A bag. Alright, a box. Another box. Another bag. Another bag. Wait, it's like a box. Oh no, the big box is a bit big. Okay, kids, just don't try to use a knife. Just use scissors if you want to open up packages alone. Finally, we've gotten everything out. So let's see what's in this box at first. Diagram Shake victim number 2. Oh, not enough. Okay, there's actually sellotape. Like, sorry. Yeah. Okay, pterosaur. Okay, we'll build this later. This black bag. Let's open it. Let's hope it was not anything irrelevant. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Irrelevant shit! Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Oh my god! I wanted this! So now, for this box... Oh my god! Alright, for this one, let's see what this is. Irrelevant! Okay, for the last box. The Mosasaurus. Yeah, they actually got it right. It's actually good for a rip-off brand to get a dinosaur's name right. Cool box! Oh, good picture. So we've got everything. Let's unbox the pterosaur first. Let's say open. Oh. Alright, looks like a raptor. Looks cool as shit. The arms, they go here for a pterosaur. Like, and aren't these Batman wings? Just kidding. What would they be? Cool. Alright, so let's check out the shark. As you can see, it has one piece more than the original. Shit, I just get scammed again. Alright. Because I bought it for $2.99 Chinese yuan. This is the best thing I've gotten in my whole life. Ooh, the Spinosaurus. Let's pour everything out. There are all the pieces. It's time to start. Alright, so this goes here. Oh my gosh. So tight. Alright. Alright. Get in there. There you go. Alright, now let's review things in detail. So as you can see, I have a bootleg shark compared to my official Lego killer whale. Yeah. The only difference is that the shark, his upper part of the jaw moves, and the killer whale's lower part moves. What a major difference. But, according to Taobao, this thing can actually devour humans. Let's see if this is real. Alright, so I got Lego crystallized Lloyd. And I'm just gonna put him in the shark. Get in! Oh, yeah. Next, we have the pterosaur. Alright, as you can see, for some strange reason, the wings don't go up and down, but go like this. Yeah, quite weird. And also, the arms. Yeah, maybe I can just make some new hyper dinosaurs. Yeah. Nice mold. The final one. The Spinosaurus. Okay, yeah, I'm missing its voice. But it cannot be pressed, which is actually a good thing, so that I won't be waking up by this thing at 3 a.m. Good job! For size comparison, the Giganotosaurus is clearly a little bit taller than the Spinosaurus. And it's longer too. Yeah, I mean, seriously, I'm not gonna lie. And also, these T-Rex arms are enlarged because I think the store is actually on a budget, so they made it like this. Oh my gosh, budget. Subscribe, idiot. No! What? You better not call the fans idiots. Oh my god, okay. Fine, if you like this channel, subscribe. That's more like it.